Hello, my name is Jeremy Toulon, Program Director for the Scholarship Academy. Thank you for watching this video. It's on our Virtual Scholarship Center and how to set up one-on-one support or what we call virtual office hour sessions. This session will be a chance for you to get individualized support on submitting your FAFSA application in this case, but we do offer a number of other services in our virtual office hour suite. You're going to begin by navigating to your Google Play Store or your Apple iOS App Store, whichever you have, irregardless of device, it should be able to be found on those platforms. If you do have an issue with that, reach out and let us know. But for the most part, if you just utilize your search feature and you type in Virtual Scholarship Center, you should see something along these lines. As long as you see our logo, that'll let you know it's from us. Now, of course, this may change in the near future as we continue to update the app and add new services, but for the most part, it will look very similar to what you see today. Once you've downloaded, you're going to then have a sign-in screen once you open the app. If you have utilized the Virtual Scholarship Center on the desktop platform, you can utilize that same email address and password that you've used previously to actually access on the mobile app. Now, in the case you do not have a email address and password already in our system, that's perfectly fine. This is again at no cost to you. All you have to do is you sign up as FA student. You'll then enter in your demographic information. And some of this may seem not related to FAFSA. And the reason for that is the Scholarship Center, and I'm sorry, the Virtual Scholarship Center is actually a tool and a number of modules for college access and college affordability understanding. So once we've gotten all this information, you'll actually have access to a number of our other features in the app that include a scholarship research database and a number of educational and prompting modules for you to increase your access and knowledge around scholarships and financial aid. So once you've entered in all that information, you'll be taken to our dashboard. This dashboard is what you will see from here on out. You'll see tailored scholarships right here on your dashboard based on that information you put in your profile. And then if you actually click on the menu screen in your upper left-hand corner, you will see these options in your menu. Now, again, you can edit your profile, you can search for scholarships, do a number of things within the Virtual Scholarship Center. Please feel free to look around. Please feel free to actually go through some of the modules we actually have in there and make sure you get the full use of the app. But in this case, to set up a virtual office hour, you're going to actually click My Appointments. And on this screen, you'll be able to see all of your previous appointments, which is a really great tool, just helping you keep track of when you may have talked about something. Maybe you need to go back and reference it, or maybe you want to think about like who you spoke to at that point in time. This is a great place to actually go for. But if you want to make a new appointment, you're actually going to click this purple icon in the bottom right-hand corner. That will then lead you to this screen. This is where you start to schedule a new appointment. In this case, we're going for a FAFSA one-on-one virtual office hour. So we would, of course, select this icon in the upper right-hand corner. Once you've selected that icon, it's going to take you to a calendar function. As you can see, based on the day I currently have selected, there are no slots available. So I need to select a new date. In this case, I pick a date. And now I can see all the times on that day that are available for me to now set up a one-on-one appointment. Once I select that time, I then have to make sure I select chat or video call. Chat will be more of a phone feature. I'm not recommending that for virtual office hours for FAFSA submission, just because you'll typically need to share your screen or at least view the person supporting you's screen. So I often recommend the video call option. This will be primarily on Google Meet or Zoom. And if you have issues with access to either of those systems, please let us know in advance. There are some other platforms we can get you set up on as well. But for the most part, it'll be on Google Meet and Zoom. Once you've selected video call in this case, you would then select book, and you would then be provided a confirmation email once the appointment is confirmed by a member of the TSA staff. If you do have any questions going through this process, please don't hesitate to reach out. We want to make sure you feel supported and feel that we are doing the best we can to give you the ample amount of time you need in your college access journey. Should you have any questions, please send me an email, jeremy@scholarshipacademy.org. I look forward to all of you going through this process successfully and getting the help you need in the near future. Thank you. Have a good day.